So obviously you don't have any problem with self-confidence, with public speaking, with engaging. Introvert or not, it seems to come naturally to you. So what's your advice to someone who wants to be a solution engineer, but who may lack the confidence or speaking skills to be able to really communicate with customers?
Every SE, to a certain extent, suffers from, what's that thing where you're pretending to be something? What's that symptom?
Imposter
syndrome. Yeah. Every SE I know has the sense of imposter syndrome. I have it, So like, I think everyone's going to feel uncomfortable in the beginning. You're not going to have confidence necessarily. If you're super confident, you're probably just not reading the world right. Like, you probably should not be very confident in your new role that you're not good at. But you need to be able to be good at, So I think you need to decide, is this path something you could be good at? And the way I would have you think about that is, can you even tell a story to your friends? Most people can be engaging to their friends. Can you tell a story to your friends? Do they listen? Can you make them pay attention? Because if you can talk to your friends and you can tell a story and they're following along and they laugh when they're supposed to laugh, then you can do it. You can do that, but just do it about a technical problem. Just have that same ability to tell that story. You can apply that. But if you really don't like talking to people, if you have this weird problem with sales and you think sales is slimy or gross or just there's something weird about it, then yeah, it's not for you. Sales is not for you. And if it's not for you, you would be better off in another role that's less stressful and doesn't have the same requirements on it. But the confidence will just come with time after your 2,000th quarter close or whatever. You'll eventually just get more comfortable.
Yeah, practice makes better, for sure.